In this video, I'll show you how to get web receipts on Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so go to your mobile device and open the app, log into your credentials, all right? And after doing so, what we need to do is simply go here. Right here, all right? Now, this is where we can access our Cash App account statements, all right? So tap the profile icon here, right? That one. And select Documents. That one. And tap Account Statements right here. All right? You can also access your account statements online. That's it for the app, but you can also access your account statements online. Log into your Cash App account at cash.app/account. On the left, click Documents, then Account Statements. Click the drop-down arrow next to the year and click View next to the month in question to open the statement, all right? Please note that any Cash App transaction funded to or by your bank account will be only available to view on your external bank statement, all right? And if you have questions about these transactions, please contact your bank for more information. But that's how you get web receipts on Cash App. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.